I come from a long background of a lot of different jobs. I wanted to get back to being self-employed. And that's when I was like, you know what, being in the emerging market is a better place to be. So 3D printing is what I ended up landing on to get into that. So I bought my first 3D printer and I realized that having larger printers was a big advantage, and a lot of people needed prints that were over 12 inches in size. There's been a lot of challenges. Being a small business owner, you're every side of the business. Your sales, your production, the ideas, the engineering. Recently, it's been a lot of product development. When I first heard about Thryv was through a networking event. I had a one-on-one and learned what their software was. Invoicing the customers was one of the biggest ones for me. Having that go right through an email that I can just say, hey, look, if this works out, I'm going to email you an invoice, you can pay it, and for the larger projects, there's the partial pay. It's been a lot of help. Thryv has made running my business a whole lot easier. I send my quotes and invoices right through Thryv, and then they pay through the payment processor that they have. And the payment processing was one of the most useful things. With having that payment processor of saying, I'll just send this in an email, and then you can partially pay and pay the rest when you get here, or pay the rest when I tell you it's done. That has been a huge step for me in being able to accept more customers and get the payment side of the business more streamlined and a lot smoother.